Good morning, everyone. I am Harshita, Tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google announces Android 15 updates, Apple's iOS 18 to introduce vocal shortcuts, Oppo Reno 12 series teased, OnePlus Nord 4 and Nord C4 Lite launch rumors, iOS 17.5 and iPad OS 17.5 issues, Apple's annual fraud prevention report, OpenAI unveils GPT-4o Omni model, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google announced exciting updates for Android at Google I/O 2024, focusing on security, battery life, and entertainment. Android 15 introduces Private Space, a secure area with extra authentication for sensitive apps. Private Space isolates app data and notifications, enhancing protection. A new theft detection log feature using Google AI will launch later this year. Apple announced iOS 18 will include a powerful new voice feature called Vocal Shortcuts. Vocal Shortcuts enable system-wide action triggers based on custom phrases without needing to say Siri. The feature allows users to create simple voice shortcuts for system settings and complex multi-step shortcuts. The phrase rings was demonstrated to automatically open the Activity app and display activity rings. Oppo announced the official unveiling date for the Reno 12 series as 23rd May. The Reno 12 and Reno 12 Pro share a similar back design and feature an AI camera system. Both models have three rear cameras and a unique glass back surface design. The Reno 12 is rumored to have the Dimensity 8250 SoC, while the Pro model will use the Dimensity 9200 Plus. The OnePlus Nord 4 and Nord C4 Lite are expected to launch in India next month in June. Leakster Abhishek Yadav suggests both smartphones will debut with improved processors. The Nord 4 is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. The Nord C4 Lite is expected to run on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC. Apple released iOS 17.5 and iPad OS 17.5 earlier this week. Users reported a color reproduction bug on OLED iPad Pros and old deleted photos resurfacing. Photos deleted years ago are appearing in users' libraries, raising privacy concerns. The recently deleted album should only hold photos for 30 days, making the issue troubling. Apple published its fourth annual fraud prevention analysis, highlighting efforts to combat fraud in the App Store and across its services. Apple claimed to have prevented over $7 billion in potentially fraudulent transactions from 2020 through 2023. In 2023 alone, Apple prevented fraudulent activities worth more than $1.8 billion. Apple's approach includes blocking stolen credit cards and fraudulent accounts. OpenAI has launched GPT-4o, showcasing the future of intelligent computing. Demo videos of GPT-4o have flooded social media, drawing comparisons to the AI Samantha from the film Her. GPT-4o features human-like voice assistance with response time as fast as 232 milliseconds, averaging 320 milliseconds. It matches GPT-4 Turbo's performance on English text and code, with significant improvement in non-English languages. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं विघ्नेश, आपका डिजिटल साथी। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे कैसे कजाबी और किकस्टार्टर, ये दो टूल्स आपके क्रिएटिव आइडियाज और बिजनेस प्रोजेक्ट्स को शेप और प्रमोट करते हैं। कजाबी दोस्तों एक ऑल इन वन क्रिएटर प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि आपको ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज, मेंबरशिप और कोचिंग प्रोग्राम क्रिएट और सेल करने में हेल्प करता है। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं टूल्स फॉर वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग, ईमेल मार्केटिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट क्रिएशन, मेकिंग योर ऑनलाइन बिजनेस जर्नी सीमलेस। और अब बात करते हैं किकस्टार्टर की। ये क्राउड फंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे क्रिएटर्स अपने क्रिएटिव, टेक्नोलॉजिकल और इनोवेटिव प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए सपोर्ट गैदर कर सकते हैं। ये एक मजेदार तरीका है मार्केट डिमांड टेस्ट करने का और फंड्स गैदर करने का बिना ट्रेडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट के। तो दोस्तों, आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने कजाबी और किकस्टार्टर के कुछ खास फीचर्स। मैं हूं विघ्नेश, साइनिंग ऑफ। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट एल के साथ।